So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to change currency to US dollars here on the Air Canada app. So first thing you got to do is go to the bottom left and press the home page here. So if you're on like the flight status page or whatever, go to the bottom left, press home, then go to the top left and select menu. Once you're here, scroll down to where it says settings and then app settings, select that. Then where it says currency, for me it's set to Canadian dollars, so we're going to go ahead and press that. Go ahead and press US dollars like this, and then go to the bottom right and press save. Now as you can tell, the currency is set to US dollars for new bookings, so when you view prices or you view flights or whatever, it's going to be in US dollars. If you want to change it back, you can change it back, but make sure that US dollars in this case is checked. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change currency to US dollars on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.